Oh, ass.
What the hell you just say? You did! I think your phone's basically okay.
If you in my hood, then you out of place. Cause I heard the feds was building the case. Come in the cage and he getting cooked. I been in my bag like a history book. My gun in her bag, I don't gotta look.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy RonDaGreat back here with another video. And today guys, just I do a look of vlogging as just to keep up my content up because I don't have nothing for post. Want to send on to the camera?
I don't want to send.
You're the man, I wear the shy.
No.
Where the camera shy?
No. Like it's fine.
No, if you don't like me haircut. Rate me haircut.
Rate your haircut?
Yeah.
Average.
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 You know long me I grow the
We'll
hair
call it
for?
the average cut.
Cause here you are down, you know. Where you got the flat ear?
I try to grow my ear.
You good with the phone camera or no?
Me?
Yeah, if you're good with it. Or no? Alright. We need some more record on the camera because it record clean, but then again, I don't know, but just like see myself like face, bro. Cause when I record on the camera, basically so I'm gonna see what going like back at me. So yeah. Bro, no, alright. Picture yourself a record with the camera like this and you not see nothing. You're not gonna understand.
Watch now.
Alright, bet.
Watch.
So
Watch.
wait, let me take a look at picture and show you. This is the camera. This is the camera. I gotta edit it. I gotta edit it. So yeah. Camera. So
If you want to play the ball outside.
I like the Top that up. Prettiest bro. Can look clean. So wait, the water cycle.
Yes,
Like-
water cycle and give them water all the time.
Yes, so I don't know what to say for the vlog here. You really keep the ball for me. So that's all I really have to say.
Come back there.
Hmm?
And the Achilles.
What?
Achilles.
Where you carrying me to?
Achilles. Look,
The ball. What happened?
Achilles.
When you attack?
Achilles.
Well, yeah. Chop. I don't know how to title the video. Why you following me name, man? What do you mean by me can't do
I have juggling skills, remember?
juggling skills?
Yeah, you want to see the juggling skills?
Come entertain the local vlog.
What? No, leave the ball.
I want them to. Oh yeah. The camera died, which bro, the camera on that shit. It record clean, but the battery, I don't know what Daniel do to the battery, but the battery is bro. It can record for at least 15 minutes.
15 minutes. That's sad.
I don't know if I can never charge it up that much.
Didn't want to charge it, Pigeon.
I charge it, bro. It did it like, you know, upon the battery them where it show like 4%, 4 bar upon it. It did that 3, and the little take time, clip out and stop.
No, it's supposed to go full way. It's supposed to be 100%, not 3%.
No, there's 4 bar on it.
Uh-huh.
It did that 3 bar, so basically it almost like done.
So, hey, that kind of something.
Probably the man just used the camera too much to the point where the battery just dead. I like my cut.
Basketball skills.
Yeah.
Ah.
Dangerous to put your phone down, son, you know. might just explode. Come right there, sir.
Don't kick it all the way out in the region. My God. You know what to go. Else we need to change that one.
No, frig. Not so far, but alright, you can flip that with me. When it's what you call it? Anyways, you're the man. I don't really have nothing to say. Peace out. You know, I'll probably drop the video after I drop another video because the video you know all that much, so I'm clipping it right now. Oh, ass.
What the hell you just say? You did! I think your phone's basically okay. Yeah. No distraction.
Bro, come on, that's not fun. The sun, now where the sun are coming from? Oh, because you know normal like when you record and the sun they like probably like back of you, it get black. Yeah. Why come let my camera move so slow? Mans. I guess.
If you on my hood, then you out of place. Cause I heard the feds was building the case. Come in the cage and he getting cooked. I been in my bag like a history book. My gun in her bag, I don't gotta look. Come with your pack, that shit getting took.